All right, welcome to everybody over at Paramus Plumbing and Mechanical. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how you can beat your competition online. All right, without further ado, the first thing we need to talk about is content. All right, so here's your website. All right, I'm glad you guys have your number here on the front page. Another thing I noticed that your website's not secure, so that's something that we're going to have to do. All right. Content has anything to do with anything on your website, all right, even what pictures are saved as. So if I could save this image as, every picture that is on your website needs to be saved with your business name in it. So Paramus Plumbing something else. All right, so as long as you have your business name in there, Google likes to see that, and it's going to start ranking you on the front page of Google, which is important to put you in front of more possible customers. All right, so when I look up Paramus Plumbing Mechanical, you guys pop up and you got your Google My Business here. All right, the second thing I'm going to show you today is a citation. All right, a citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, as long as you got that in there, that'd be awesome. Another thing that I can see is you guys have 5 Google reviews. We need to get way more Google reviews. All right, so keep pumping those out of customers if you can. All right, keep seeing if you can get those those reviews up. I'm checking out photos too because I want to make sure you guys have a lot of photos. The more photos the better. It's good that you guys got a wide variety of photos here. All right, so that's good. All right, next thing, plumbers, Washington Township, New Jersey. All right, first thing that pops up is the Google Guaranteed. That's something that is definitely worth the investment. I think they're better than regular Google ads because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices. Okay, so if you have Google Guaranteed, those will be fine. All right, the ads will just not show up for certain customers. All right, so definitely do the Google Guaranteed. Here's the Google Map Pack. All right, and the businesses here get most of the business. All right, they get most of the calls. All right, so that's definitely something that we need to do for you. All right, as we scroll down, we get into the directories. All right, directories are simply websites that let businesses put their information in there. All right, so Yelp does this, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Facebook, websites like that. And then when we start seeing actual businesses pop up, that's what's called the organic listings area. All right, and the third and final thing I'm going to talk with you about today is backlinks. All right, backlinks have a lot to do with this organic listings area. Backlinks are pretty much other websites that have ads in them that point right to your website, and that's what's going to bring in more potential customers. All right, so I was taking a look. We're going to take a look at a few competitors after we take a look at your website numbers. All right, so Ahrefs, I pay for this monthly. They pay Google for these numbers. All right, so these numbers are quite accurate. You guys are sitting at a URL rating of 12 out of 100. Okay, so that's how much trust that Google has in your website. All right, so we got to get that up more. The domain rating is how much power that Google gives to your website. You guys are sitting at a 0.7 out of 100. Okay, so we got a lot of work to do there. 20 referring domains are giving you 524 backlinks. All right, you guys have had 751 previously. These are the ones that are active, and I can tell these links are not very good links because it's keeping this domain rating number very low. Okay, there's a direct correlation between these numbers. All right, take that under consideration. You guys are not bringing any traffic to your website, money-wise or actual people-wise. So that's definitely an issue. All right, I'm going to show you what a couple of competitors are doing. They're not the best numbers either. All right, I know they have a lot of work to do. Here's Accurate Plumbing. Their website is not that great either. All right, see how their numbers are kind of going up a little bit more. All right, but they still have a lot of work to do as well. So this is actually some stuff that you can do on your own. You know, you can get Ahrefs. All right, you could definitely look at these numbers. You can go over and see what your competitors are doing, and you can try and copy what they're up to. All right, I know a lot of business owners are busy, so they'd rather have someone else do it. Hey Nate, can you rank me for these keywords? Nate, can you find me some healthy backlinks? Nate, can you rebuild our website? Yeah, I can do all that. All right, so let's check out their keywords real quick. I like topping it off the end of these videos with keywords because they're super powerful. All right, the volume here, that's monthly, how many people look for each keyword. A keyword is simply anything that anyone looks up on Google. Okay, so when I looked up plumbers, Washington Township, New Jersey, all right, that's all one keyword. Okay, oh, I skipped the part. Here we go. We're looking at the keywords for accurate plumbing here. All right, see how they're ranking for their name, of course, but we want to look for like plumbers in Gloucester County. Even though 20 people look for that, they're ranking first for that, so they're getting an extra 20 customers a month. So an extra 20 customers a month can help out businesses like crazy. So I'm looking for like plumbing, Washington Township, plumbing, plumbers in South Jersey. That could work. 200. If we rank you for all these ones that they're doing good at and more, we're gonna get you that top of the front page of Google like easy, like nothing. All right. So you got to take a look. Our goal is to get to the first position and get most of these customers. More customers monthly are going to help out your business. Ranking for the right keywords is just going to help you guys out the most. DMC Plumbing and Heating, you can tell their website is, I don't like it as well. So their numbers are low as well. 1.1, 18. Let's see, they're bringing in like $2,000 a month. Organic keywords. Plumbers Bayonne, Bayonne, New Jersey, like their areas. So that's kind of what we want to see here. So surrounding areas, you can rank for all these areas. Okay, we want to get the first position. See their first position for these? That's an extra 300, 400, 500 customers that they're getting a month. So think about what you could do with 500 extra customers a month. You could probably buy 2 new trucks for that. 3 new trucks, hire a couple more people, and you're off to the races. That's kind of what I want to talk to you about today. Definitely give me a call. All right, we can talk more about this. We can get some work done. We can fix up your website a little bit. All right, find you some more customers. All right, get you on that front page of Google. Okay, every business at the end of the day needs stuff like this, and a lot of the businesses overlook it and they don't use it. Okay, so take advantage now and be the company first that uses it in your area, and you will get most of the customers. All right, you will be helping out more people monthly. You will be getting, your revenue is going to increase. All right, any goals or dreams that you have for your personal life or for your business, that can happen with this. Okay, keywords are powerful, backlinks are powerful, content is powerful, and a citation is powerful. Okay, so take it all under consideration. We could talk more. All right, I look forward to it. Please let me know. Give me some feedback if this video was informative. All right, I appreciate you listening to me for almost 10 minutes here. I'm going to cut it off. All right, my name is Nathan Bruce. If you're not looking forward to work with me, that's totally fine. Run off with these free tips today, all right, and see what you can do with them. All right, I look forward to hearing from you, though. Appreciate it. Have a good one.